don't know if that worked. That worked. Oh no, transferred though. Ooh! Oh wow. Oh. Oh dear. Hi everyone, it's Kezzy over here from Kezzy's Corner and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the Bperfect Cosmetics Carnival Volume 3 palette. I asked on my Instagram whether you want to see me recreate a look with this palette or else create a look with the Roxy and the cozy vibes from Revolution, and most of you chose this one. So this is the one I'm going to be using. Oh my goodness, the color story of this palette is gorgeous. Basically get a cup of coffee, a hot chocolate, whatever, even like a glass of wine if you want, and you know, or else get this palette and let's recreate the look together. I've gotten some like inspiration, I've watched some other tutorials, so we'll see what we'll do. I'll also be testing out some other new products that I bought from Beauty Bay, which is where I actually ordered this palette from. If you want to see me test out the Bperfect Carnival Volume 3 palette, then keep on watching, and if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okie dokie, today I feel a bit more prepared in my video, so let us get started. So today we're going to be doing a makeup look. I'm going to be using the palette from Bperfect, the Carnival Volume 3 palette. I have never tried anything from Bperfect Cosmetics. This is the first time, you know, the Stacey Marie makeup artist. Woo! So this is the palette. This is what the palette looks like. It is absolutely stunning. We have a lot of color going on over here, but then we have a lot of purples over here. And I think for today, I'm going to be focusing on the purple color story. Basically, I've already done my brows and I used the Kai brow pomade, and then I set my brows using my Revolution brow gel, and then I've set my brows using the ABH primer, which is a really good eye base primer. Okay, so we're gonna begin, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna take I'm gonna be taking this shade, which is actually called Lilac. It's this beautiful lilac shade, and if you didn't know, actually my room before I got it all white, it was actually lilac, and then after it was like dark purple, and then we changed it back to white because that's how I wanted it, and that's how I did it. My dad, bless his soul. So I'm gonna actually use the mirror, I guess. I think it would be a perfect thingambob. Okay, so I'm gonna take this lilac shade and I'm just going to blend it out. Yeah, I'm just gonna see where obviously this is gonna lead us, hopefully into a very purple look, which is what I am gonna try and achieve with this palette. I've never tried this palette, so this is my first time. If you didn't know, I'm very excited to be playing with this palette and create a cool looking look. We'll see. Yeah, that's perfect. So something like this, and I'll do it on the other eye and I'll be right back. And now I'm going to be using the shade called Tahiti, which is that shade right there. We're just going to basically apply it the same way as we applied lilac, but I guess a wee bit lower. So literally I'm going into my crease because that is how we roll. It's like a very shocking purple, like we're starting to blend, I guess, into the purple shade. Okay, so I think something like that, and now I'm just going to blend it into with lilac. I think, yeah, something like this. And now I'm actually gonna take, I think I'm gonna take the shade called Grape, which is that shade right there. I'm going to place it there first in the, outer corner. So something like so. It's a really pretty color. I think I'll choose a darker shade maybe later on or something. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. But it's very pink right now, the look. It's like purple pink. So I'm gonna blend that in. But now I kind of want to do it a wee bit on the inner part as well. So gently. So something like that, I would say. And then you can, I guess, build it up a little bit. But now what I'll do is I'll actually get a clean brush, which is something I never do. And I'm actually going into lilac. And we'll build it up. So that there's that transition, I'm hoping. There's still that transition, we don't lose. Something like that. So obviously ignore that this doesn't have a gap in it, but that's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. These things happen. Okay, so now I'm actually going to take the shade called Blackberry, and this is basically, I'm going to hope to like deepen the look a little bit, and rather than keeping it like that bright purple, we create more of that like purple, basically. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to try and just basically put this like literally where I apply grape, and that is where I want to apply this. So I'm going to just tap it for now, and I will use my blending brush, and I'm going to also put it obviously in the inner parts as well. Sorry guys, I was out of focus. So I'm just going to now blend that purple in. So I'm just going to literally blend where I have applied the shade. And now I'm going to take the shade Tahiti. Blend that in the inner in the crease, literally. In the crease. I think let's go into concealer. So obviously I'm going to take my trusted concealer because I feel like that's the one I want to use. It's the Cut Crease Canvas from Revolution. And so I'm going to literally dab it on my palm, and I'm going to take my Wycon, which is what I always love using, and now I'm going to take my little mirror, and I'm just going to basically place my inner corner. Don't know if that worked. That worked. Oh no, transferred though. Transferred. Why did it transfer? So this is what I want. I'm just gonna dab it. Okay, I'm actually going to apply my this one. So this is the one that I actually want in the center of my eyes. It's called Starlight, and I'm actually just going to put that. Let's see what would happen. Okay. Ooh, this is a stunning shade. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh my god. What? So I'm just literally pressing that on where I have my halo, and now what I will do is I'll blend everything back in. So let me blend. So I'm going to take that purple, which is called Blackberry. Literally tap your brush, guys, because there's quite a bit, and gently brush that in. I think that already makes a difference. And again on the other side. Oh, my days. Okay, so I'm gonna actually take Tahiti, which is the second shade that we applied, and I'm just going to basically blend that in. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other end. I'll be right back. So we have something like that. I'm actually very happy. I wish it was a bit more purple, but you know, I don't hate it. So I have some new face products to test out, so I'm just gonna test them out. I have glitters everywhere. It's really annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this one. This is the NYX Hydra Matte Primer. I've never tried out this primer. I really want to get my hands on the marshmallow one. So I'm just going to put a bit of the primer. So I'm just going to rub this. Ooh, it feels really cold, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells really nice though. It smells really, really nice. I have a new foundation to try out, and this actually, I've been seeing it all over TikTok, and it's this one right here. I'm going to be obviously trying it out. It's the Color Correcting Full Coverage Natural Finish Camo CC Cream from ELF. So I am actually very excited to test this out. So hopefully I got it in the right shade. Oh, it's very interesting. It has collagen, peptides, and niacinamide, and it also has SPF 20. and I got mine in the shade Light 240. We're going to see. And also from Beauty Bay, I bought the By the Beauty Obsessed makeup sponges, and it comes two. So this is the one that I actually rinsed, and then look how tiny it would be, and this is the one that, so it comes in two, so I really like that. Let's see how this works. So we're just going to put a wee bit there. Let's see. And now I'm just going to blend that into my skin. Like so, and yes, okay. Oh wow. Oh dear, it's a very bad color. I mean, it's very yellow, but I think for summer it will I'll definitely be able to like make this work. But like in the mirror as I'm seeing it, I'm like, oh my god, this is so freaking yellow. But anyway, so I'm just going to blend this in. This is new, man. Okay, we'll sort you out later, but I'm just gonna do this. I mean, as coverage, it's quite a good for like a CC cream, and this is supposed to be a dupe to the It Cosmetics CC cream. It's not the best shade of colors, obviously, but that's my fault because I got the wrong shade. But that's fine. Just going to get out my ELF Camo Concealer, which is what I used last time, and this one. This one is really white, so this is the concealer I'm going to be using. I'm going to make you laugh, guys, because it's fine. I'm just going to use a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. So literally dot, 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 like this. And here and there. I also have this out right now. So actually, let's use it. This is the Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick. So yeah, so now I'm just going to literally just blend everything out, because I'm recording a TikTok as well as we speak, so that is what I was doing. I've had people tell me that the concealer isn't the best for them. Personally, I quite like it. So, and I like how this sponge actually has this, excuse me, focus on the sponge. You see it has like a flat side, which is perfect for concealer. I think we need to just set everything up because I feel like it needs a bit of a setting. Just use my trusty I Heart Revolution. This is the coconut scented baking powder. So I'm just gonna use this. What I do is I just literally grab this little brush, fluff. I don't like applying too much. And now what we can do is we can just go all over. I mean, just a tad, because I don't like a lot, you know, too much, because it gives me the heebie-jeebies. I'm just gonna actually continue with my face makeup, because why not? I'm gonna use my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula.
Soaring, flying.
Okay, and now for blush, I'm actually going to use this one. This is the Essence Blush Lighter Gradient Powder Blush in the shade Coral Sunset. I absolutely love this. Now, people are telling me that you can also do blush on your nose. Bridget had told me. I'll link her channel down below. She's a really sweet girl, and I love her decor. Highlight, will do it later on. Let us just finish my makeup. I don't know, I think I'll use both. So I have the Pixie, this is the Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye, and this is a purple shade. So I'm actually just going to do it in my waterline. Then I have this one, the Essence Soft Contouring, and this is like a darker purple, which I think I'm going to just put it there. It's okay, we'll fix it. Fine, we'll fix it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, I think I'll take the shade called Lilac. I think I'll take the shade called Lilac, which is that one that we had used. It was the first one that we had used. And I'll just put it all over my waterline. Okay, and now for my inner corner, because we need to put an inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade called Pearl, which is calling my name. It's this one right here. It's like a pink sparkle shade, I would say. You know what, I'm gonna actually wet my brush as well. Ooh, that is gorgeous. From the palette, I'm ready, and I absolutely love the palette. So guys, if you really want to invest in one, I would really recommend it because there's a lot to do. I'm actually gonna do lashes today. So what I do is I always do eyeliner. I'm gonna be using my Pixie eyeliner, so I'm just going to probably do this off camera, so I'm sorry guys. So I've applied eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply my lashes, and for lashes I'm going to be using this one. They're the Faux Minx collection from Revolution, and this is in the doll style basically. Okay, and these are the lashes. Now probably obviously my eyes are not the same. Use this mascara from Essence to basically hopefully join the lashes together. Alright, what is left is basically some nice highlight. I'm just going to take this one from Marshmallow Heart from I Heart Revolution, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to literally just grab that and just put that on my skin. Okay, now lipstick, 1 second. So I like this one. So this is the shade from AOA as well. It's called Bougie. And I kind of like it, but I want to do something else. What is this? This is the Prisma Lip Glaze from Catrice. And I think I want to put this in the middle. I never do this. So I'm just going to literally put a little bit. Whoa. And I'll put on the top as well. I kind of really like it. Oh my goodness. I'm impressed. I am impressed. So now for setting spray, I'm going to be using my MAC Fix Plus. It has like pink light in it, so I really like it. So I'm just going to use this. Okay, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I'm going to zoom you in. So this is the finished look. I actually really like this, guys. It's a really pretty look, and sort of what I had in mind, it actually came by. Anyways, so yeah, that is the finished look. I'm gonna zoom you out now so I'll be able to finish the video. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with how it came. I hope you liked the makeup look. Literally, it was just sitting down with me and playing with makeup. And if you have the palette, I would really encourage you to maybe try it out. And if you do, definitely tag me, and I would love to see the looks that you create as well. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!